In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a link on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the text people see without affecting the actual URL, so your slides look clean and professional. First, open your browser and head to Google Slides. On the homepage, go to Recent Presentations so you can quickly get back to the deck you were working on. Click your presentation to open it. If you're not seeing the right file, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, or use the search bar at the top to find it. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide with the link you want to rename and click directly on the text. In Google Slides, a hyperlink has two parts: the display text, which is what your audience sees, and the destination, which is the actual link it goes to. Renaming the link means changing that display text while keeping the destination the same. With the text selected, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then click Link. This opens the link editor. Here, update the text so it reads exactly how you want: short, clear, and descriptive. For example, instead of showing a long web address, rename it to something like Project Overview or View Source Document. After typing the new name, apply the change to update the label on your slide. Now, click the text again to bring up the small link toolbar beneath it. Choose Edit Link. This is a convenient way to fine-tune details without leaving the slide. If you need to adjust the display name further, type your updated wording here. While you're at it, quickly verify that the destination field still points to the correct URL. When you're done, apply the change. A couple of quick tips to keep things polished: keep link names concise and meaningful so your audience knows exactly what they'll get when they click. Avoid duplicate labels on the same slide unless they truly go to the same place. If the formatting changed while you edited, use the toolbar to reapply your preferred font, weight, and color so the link matches your theme. And if you're presenting live, test the link ahead of time in present mode to make sure everything opens correctly. That's it. Your link has been renamed and your slide is cleaner and easier to read. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.